Welcome to Jason's Acoustic Workshop. This is lesson 20 in the beginner series for acoustic guitar. Now before I start the lesson, I just want to say if you would like to support this channel, please click on the icon up here on the right and you can support me that way. If you can't do that, that's fine. You can also support me by subscribing to this channel. Okay, so lesson 20, basic notes for chord noting. Now, here is your chord diagram. If you don't know what that means, go to the previous lessons. Chord diagram. Here's your top string, your bottom string. These are your open strings. E, an E string, A string, D string, G string, B string, and then E string. So, it's going to be basically just like going up the alphabet. Okay? You have E, and your next note is going to be F. Okay? Now, after F, you're going to have F sharp. So, basically there is, I'll just go ahead and put it right here, there is no E sharp. E sharp is F. Okay? You have F sharp, then after F sharp you have G. Then after G you have G sharp. Okay, next one, A. You're going to have A sharp. Then B. Now, on this list here, there is no B sharp. After B comes, of course, if you know your alphabet, C. Then C sharp. Okay. D. Fourth string. D sharp. Then after D sharp comes E. Now like I said, there's no E sharp. So E goes to F. And of course to F sharp. Alright, third string. The G string. G string. You have G sharp. Okay, now what comes after G? A, because it goes like right here. It goes from G back to A, and then of course all the way to G. It's circular. All right, G sharp. You got A. A is regular A. Then you have A sharp, and then you have B. Okay? Okay, B string, the second string. Like I said, there's no B sharp. So you go from B to C, C sharp, then you have D, and D sharp. Okay. Last string is E. It's the same as the top string. So it's going to be E, then F, F sharp, then G, and of course G sharp. Okay? Those are your notes for your sharps. Now we're also going to do the flats. Because you can either use sharps or flats, it really doesn't matter. A lot of people are more comfortable using sharps. They like to say A sharp instead of B flat, that kind of stuff. Okay? So let's get to, let's do the diagram here with the flats. Alright, here we go with the flat notes. Okay, sharp, just to let you know, sharp means you're going up, flat is down. Alright, now some people are comfortable using flats, and some people are more comfortable using sharps. Now when you're looking at a piece of music, it's basically at the discretion of whoever is writing down the music and the chords and everything else. They might say use G sharp. Well, G sharp is what? A flat. So you have to learn both. So if you're writing a piece of music, you use the notes that you think are more comfortable for you. Alright, so I took off the sharps. Okay, now down here is basically going to be a comparison. Alright, and like I said, there is no E sharp and no B sharp, so we're going to do the flats now. Okay, and like I said, only seven notes in the musical alphabet. Okay, so here we go. I left the natural notes on there. Here we go. Top string, E string, go to E, then to F, and then of course, not F sharp, but you go to G, you go down, G flat. Now like I said, a sharp, this is a sharp. When you see like a B like that, that's a flat. Alright? Now, from G, you're not going to go to G sharp. You're going to go A flat. Alright. Here's your A. Now B, you're going to go down, B flat. Now, like I said, being that there's no B sharp, there is also no C flat. As you can see, you go down with C, it's B. So here we go to C. Of course, D is the next one, right there. So it's going to be D flat. Now, F sharp, we'll put it down here for comparison, is G flat. G sharp is the same as A flat. Now, with C sharp, it's going to be D flat. I hope I'm not confusing anybody. It takes a little bit, especially when you're trying to learn these. But it's okay, you'll get it. You'll get it. I know you're smart people. You'll get it. Now, D sharp, no. E, you go down, you're going to have E flat. So, D sharp is also E flat. And like I said, it's not F sharp, you go here again, G flat. Okay? Now, G, you go up as a sharp, but you go down A flat. As you see right here, G sharp is A flat. Now, it'd be good to put this comparison in here as you're learning. That way you know, if somebody says A sharp and you want flat, you know what to put. Okay? So A sharp is also, might as well put it right here, B flat. Alright? So, A flat to A, and then of course B flat, because A sharp. See that? Let me make sure. I just want to make sure nobody's confused. Alright. Now, like I said, C, go back down. I'll tell you. D flat. Now, go up, but it's E flat. See, it's always good to have a reference, especially when you're learning. Have the reference right here. Okay? F sharp, nope. It's G flat. And it's the same. The E string on the bottom is the same as the E string on the top. And there you go. There's the first 4 frets of the guitar. So the reason why I'm showing you this is because it's very important that you know these notes when you're doing the chord noting. Now, chord noting is a term that I've coined for basically getting a chord, and while you're strumming the chord, you are adding extra notes, single notes, to that chord. Sometimes it might be just one note, sometimes it's 2 notes, together or single. Okay, that's what chord noting is. So you have to know the notes before you can do chord noting. Now, the chord noting is this first 4 frets is going to be for your basic chords: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Not G sharp or B flat or nothing like that. It's all just natural chords. So, in the next lesson, lesson 21, we're going to be showing you on the guitar how to chord note. Okay? Now, I'm sure if you ask somebody, you ever chord noted? They're not going to know what you're talking about. This is basically a Jameis word. This is what I use when I'm teaching people. Chord noting. Seems to fit. So, like I said, study these. Make sure you get the comparisons, okay, until you're familiar or comfortable. And then you just get rid of that. It's all in your head. So if someone asks you B flat, you know where it's at. Or they ask you A sharp, you know it's the same thing. Alright? So, study these. I'll have these probably on a video, like 1 or 2 minutes. These parts here, that way you can study it. Okay? Or I might put it in a PDF file, so you can, I'll have it in the link below, in the definition, so you can just download it, and you can look at it that way. That would probably be the best way to do it. So, we'll do it that way. So, we will see you in lesson 21. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you can support this channel any way you can, because it does take a lot of time and it takes money to do these channels. So, no, I mean to do these videos. So anything you can help me with, I'd greatly appreciate it. And like I said, if you can, just subscribe to the channel. You can do it that way. So we will see you in lesson 21.